Let me show you how to remove your rear wiper and wiper motor of a VW Polo 9N and 9N3. The tools that you are going to need are one of these wiper blade remover, 90mm socket, 10mm socket, 30mm socket, and a ratchet with extension. You can also get a plastic trim remover, and you need a 4-phase or Phillips screwdriver. First off, go ahead and disconnect your negative terminal of your battery by using the 10mm socket or 10mm spanner. First of all, what you need to do is remove this boot trim from the lower boot section to get access to your wiper motor. And with this, you have 2 Phillips or 2 4-phase screws, one in over here and the other one over there. Once you remove that, you go with your plastic trim remover around the boot trim and clipping all the clips. I do have a detailed video on this, how to remove your boot trim. Please check my channel and other videos. Once you removed your boot trim, you can access or see your wiper motor, which is just over here and is held by 3 10mm bolts, one over here, one over here, and one over here. But we're not going to access them or unbolt them yet. You want to go ahead and put your boot down. You might have a cap, my one doesn't, so just release the cap and you get access to your 30mm. Go ahead and remove your 30mm wiper bolt. Whatever you do, do not remove it, just loosen it so you get a bit of gap. So when you do put your wiper remover tool, when you pop the wiper up, it doesn't go flying out, it comes up and it'll stop it from here. You then want to go ahead and get your wiper tool remover, insert it over here, and then go ahead and screw this or tighten the top bolt. So I ran into a bit of an issue where the screw for the tool remover or the blade remover wasn't big enough and it wasn't reaching or tightening, or it would tighten too much and I couldn't get out. So you need about this much thread to remove your wiper. So what I've done is I've put a 10mm nut over there so I can get a bit of space or make it like a spacer, and now I've got this much room for thread which I can tighten and it should pop off. So I'm going to go ahead and tighten and you'll see it eventually pop out. There you go. So you heard that. That just means it's out of position now. Obviously you saw the tool turning while I was turning the ratchet or tightening the tool. Reason being is because I was doing it alone. So you do need 2 hands, one to hold this down and the other to turn the ratchet. But I wanted to show you, the minute you hear that noise which has come out of position, whatever you do, stop tightening it and unwind your tool, because your wiper should be free now. For some reason, if your wiper isn't free, just undo your tool, have a quick look. If not, put everything back together and carry on tightening it, and then you'll see the wiper come up. Once it's up, you can then loosen everything loosen the bolt. There you go. And then you can go ahead, open the boot, and then you've got 3 10mm, one over here, one over here, one over here. But before you remove your 10mm, what you want to do is you want to disconnect this part of the wiring loom, and you have this part for your rear windscreen washer. This is quite simple. You can do it with hand. Unclip it from this side, unclip it from this side, or both together. Like that. So it goes like this. Or you can twist it so you get the bracket facing this way, and then you can just unclip it from both sides or take it totally out. It's entirely up to you. And then just pull this and that should come out. Put that somewhere safe, and then you have your wiring loom connector, which is this thing over here. Now get your trim remover tool, place it on this side over here. So open the clip, pull, and open this clip as well, or push away and pull, and that should disconnect your connections or your wiring loom connector. Now the only thing holding the wiper motor is or are 3 10mm and go ahead and undo them. Once you take the last one off, be careful because the wiper motor will want to fall. If it doesn't, then you want to grab it and just pull it out. And guys, that's how you remove your rear windscreen wiper motor and wiper of a VW Polo 9N and 9N3. I hope you enjoyed the episode. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. We'll see you in the next one.